Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi by Maangchi. First, prepare your napa cabbage by cutting it into quarters or halves. Then, generously salt the cabbage with coarse sea salt, ensuring every leaf is coated. Let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours, turning occasionally. After salting, rinse the cabbage thoroughly 3 times under cold water to remove excess salt. Finally, squeeze out all the water and let it drain completely. Next, let's create the flavorful kimchi paste. Start by making a simple sweet rice flour porridge, which helps bind the ingredients. Combine this porridge with a generous amount of gochugaru, fish sauce, minced garlic, ginger, and onion. Incorporate other seasonings like sugar or plum extract for balance. Finally, mix in fresh vegetables such as shredded Korean radish, carrots, and chopped green onions to complete your vibrant paste. Now it's time to combine the cabbage and paste. Don't forget to wear gloves to protect your hands from the chili and to maintain hygiene. Take each piece of salted cabbage and spread the paste evenly between every leaf. Once all the cabbage is coated, pack it tightly into an airtight container, pressing down to remove air pockets. Let it ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, then refrigerate. Once your kimchi has fermented to your liking, transfer it to the refrigerator. The cold temperature will slow down the fermentation process, allowing the flavors to develop beautifully over several weeks. You can enjoy your homemade kimchi as a delicious side dish with almost any meal, or incorporate it into various Korean recipes. It's a versatile and healthy addition to your diet, packed with probiotics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.